Welcome back to the channel. We are live today, and I today we have recovered our website. There was some sort of issue on the side, and we have recovered it successfully. And now let's begin the analysis segment. Okay, and we will begin just the analysis segment from today, and hope all of you can understand what I'm saying. And I'm saying about the technical analysis, and technical analysis is just about the probability. Okay, so probability means there will be something happen based on the certain types of pattern. Okay, so we just have to study them. Okay, now when you just click on the gold, we can see the full chart of gold on here. And now we have arranged another new feature on our side. When you click on chart, below there is screener, and when you click on screener also, you can get the all the information about the thing what you have wanted. Okay, now and just click on here and just make it here, and XAUUST. Now you have to remember the symbol, and you can see the detailed information about the gold. Okay, now opening price, previous day volume also. Now here is this chart also. Okay, I hope all of you can understood about this. And now let me make this candle of to 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute candlestick pattern. uh, 1 minute candlestick pattern. Then okay, let's try to see this. Okay, now support resistance, we can also see them here. mm, and from this phase we call it as a support. Okay, hope all of you understand what I am saying. And from this point we will call it as a support, and on the top it is this resistance. Resistance means the phase from where this assist is falling down, and support means the phase from where this assist is moving upward. Now I think when this fall around this phase, the here, then there will be better to buy. Otherwise, don't try to buy and don't try to beat the market. Only foolish can only foolish try to beat the market. And so trying beating the market and trying to change the market is one of the hardest thing in the whole in the old. Okay, so just try to see this, and then there will be quite another thing. And mm, now this is the position, and hope all of you can understood about this. Now the seasonal, how much return it has provided up to that yearly wise, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then 1 2 3 4 up to this year it has provided the very good positive return, and now up to just to there was a negative return. Okay, now when you just try to click on back to the chart, you can see the return. This is the thing. And another thing we have to understood about this is about the this zone. And another thing, that market always moves on the sentiment of the people. So if there was a very good sentiment, then the market will move automatically on the upward direction. If there was bad sentiment, then the market will move in downward trend. It's okay. We all have to think about that point. Okay, then another thing is about the trading decision. Thinking just for a long term always makes you better, and you can always enhance the thing what you have wanted, and you can get the thing that you need. Okay, so you can understood what I am saying you about this. And another thing is the long term learning strategy. When you just think for a long term, then there will be the very good chance that you can maximize your return. Just thinking for a short term doesn't guarantee you about the trading success. So long term strategy is needed for everyone, and we all have to think for a long term. Without thinking for a long term, there will be the very hard for us to be and to be stable on the market. So if we want to sustain and if we want to stay on the market, then we all have to think for a long term with study. And when you study the market, when we try to study the market, then we can enhance our profit. Okay, so just be a long term trader. If we become a short term, then return wasn't possible there. Okay, we all have to think about this. Hope all of you got it, my point. And another necessary aspect is about the psychology, the most important thing that once the Isaac Newton used to say about that I used to understand all the thing, but not the mm, madness of the people means there is very nobody can predict the psychology of the people, so that's the hardest thing. So we cannot predict and we cannot be the 100% accurate while predicting the people psychology, because here are the billions of the people and they have the billions of the thought. Okay, so so predicting the others people psychology is also hard. Okay, so we just have to think that also. So the psychology can be made with the proper decision as by. So just think about this, and we all have to be a long term, and being a long term trader always helps us to be achieve the thing that we were wanted. So once the Warren Buffett used to say that we all have to be the long-term active investor and the passive investor. When active investor, they always try to predict the market, they become a trader. And when the passive investor used to buy the stock just for a short, just today, and they used to hold it forever. So at last, when we calculate the return, when the return was calculated, then the passive investor had a much more return than the active investor. So that is the thing. And another necessary aspect is that showcasing the what we wanted on the market may not be seen, because that's the decision we have showed on the market and we tried to buy that, but the market moved quite opposite around our decision, because most of the people the it is the collective sentiment of the people, so that that sentiment may not replicate on the decision that we have made. So another thing is making decision and thinking for the long term with being a continuous learner always makes us great and always enhance in our profit portfolio, and we can make much more return with the trading strategy. But for a long term and for a massive wealth creation, we have to think for a long term, and without long term strategy we cannot earn profit. Okay, so hope all of you got it, my friend, and I will be just live for 10 minutes because I'm just trying to maintain the consistency on the channel. So maintaining the consistency means that is keeping any tax just for today is that hard. So I'm just trying to maintain the consistency. Okay, so now hope all of you understand what I'm saying, and today at the present time I'm trying to learn the video editing so that I can make you a better video for about the various content. Okay, so always be a learner, and if we learn more then we can earn more. So learning is the best thing. So always focus and spend your most of the time on learning, because learning provide the greatest interest and education provide the greatest some of the interest for all. Okay, so just think like that and be the long term trader or a investor. Okay, so making you for being a long term always makes you the greater also, and it helps to shape your trading decision also. So that the point what I'm saying you about this. At last, thanks for watching my video and hope all of you can provide me a feedback what the furthermore improvement can be done, so that I can improve on my video and you can get and you can retain the information, because I don't have much more knowledge about the issue what you are facing. So I need your feedback, and if you provided me a feedback, any feedback on my voice also, as I am not a native speaker, so there may be issue on my voice, but I'll try my best for you. Hope all of you got it my point, and this was for today. Have a great day.